I'm 13 WMAZ meteorologist Alex Forbes. Check this out. It is a picture-perfect day across downtown, making only a few clouds in the sky, a dew point of 62, a temperature of 89. You could not ask for a better 4th of July across central Georgia. Here's a look at live radar. Nothing going on across the Peach State. And zoom out, you see a high pressure up to our north. That's what's in control of our weather right now, keeping us dry. That stationary front down to the south, causing some showers and some fireworks in the sky down there in the Sunshine State right along the Gulf Coast. All right, here we go through the remainder of tonight. Temperatures going to fall from the 80s down into the 70s. So if you have any firework plans right around 9, 10, 11, expect temperatures in the 70s, and we'll go all the way down to a low in the upper 60s. So fireworks tonight look fantastic. No rain issues. Then once we get into tomorrow, there's 11 a.m. a few showers down to the south, and I think we're going to see some more widespread coverage of rain tomorrow afternoon. Then once we get into Tuesday, we're going to get a piece of energy roll through the central Georgia region, and that's going to enhance our rain chances through the afternoon hours. So we're going to see more rain on Tuesday than we will on Monday. And then on Wednesday, we're going to see even more rain with whatever is left of Elsa moving through the Peach State as we head through the day on Monday and then on Wednesday rather, and then into Thursday. So here's the latest on Elsa. It's a 60-mile-an-hour tropical storm right there between Cuba and Jamaica, moving off towards the northwest at 14 miles an hour. Now here's the plan. The National Hurricane Center expects Elsa to make landfall somewhere on the Florida Peninsula between, say, the Fort Myers area all the way up to the Big Bend of Florida. It could be anywhere within that 200-mile stretch. And the current plan is to have it weaken down to a tropical depression once it moves inland through coastal Georgia and then up into the Carolinas. But we still got some fine-tuning to do on that forecast. I'll show you why here in just a minute. So in the meantime, tropical storm warnings in effect for Cuba, Jamaica, parts of the Keys now. We also have tropical storm watches in effect for parts of the Florida Peninsula. Now here's a look at our forecast models overlaid with the cone. And notice how a lot of these models are on the west side of this cone. So let's continue to play it forward there, and you see that thick red line right there is the official National Hurricane Center forecast. But notice a few of these are still on the western side, which means the center of Elsa could come close to places like Dublin, Lawrence County, perhaps down near Telfair County, and then that would cause rain and wind across central Georgia on the day Wednesday. Then it's off into the northeast towards the Norfolk, Virginia Beach area, and not our issue anymore across central Georgia. So a Cuba landfall is expected in the next 24 hours or so, and the big question for us is, where does Elsa reemerge? Is it further to the west, which means it would spend more time over the Gulf of Mexico, or is it further to the east, meaning it goes into the Florida Peninsula and is not as much of an issue here in central Georgia? So if you're headed down to Florida, I know it's a popular travel week, expect impacts Monday through Wednesday, south to north, as Elsa moves towards the north, and rain and wind will be possible in central Georgia on Wednesday. So here's a look at the models. There's Elsa, or what's left of Elsa, moving through central Georgia. Then as we get into Thursday, some more scattered showers and storms, and then again on Friday as we settle into that summertime pattern into next weekend. Here's a look at the day tomorrow. High temperature of about 92, 40% chance of rain by noon, and downpours possible by evening. Our air is going to be rich with moisture, so any rain that we see could result in locally heavy downpours. And here's your 7-day forecast. High temperature at 90 on Tuesday, watching Elsa on Wednesday. It could be a little windy across central Georgia. A 60% chance of rain for your Thursday with highs in the 80s to start next weekend.